Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. If you don't already have an account, tap on the create account button and you will now be taken into the sign up page. Just type in your preferred email address that you would like to use for your account, and then enter your preferred password for your account underneath. Now you can tap on the create account button and you will now be asked to enter your first and your last name. Just type in both of these and tap on continue once again. And now you will be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your email address that you just used for sign up and you will find an email from EveryDollar. Just open up this email and you will find your 6-digit verification code, which you can now use within your verification box. Just type it in and then tap on continue. Once the verification is completed, you will be taken back into the application where you will be asked to answer a few questions. Now the answers that you provide might be different for different individuals, so just take your time in answering these questions. Once you have answered all of the questions, you will be offered the premium plan for which you can start your free trial. To continue with this, you can just start your free trial and provide your payment details. Otherwise, tap on the close button at the top right. And now, provided that you have already answered all of the questions, your account will be ready to use. From the homepage, you can now start creating your budget right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.